as a student, it's so normal for you to miss notes when a lecturer is speaking or your class teacher is speaking. So you get to snap your friend's notes. And challenge with that is that it's kind of hard to read. So you have to just kind of mark it in a place. And one of the best way to do that is through a PDF. So in this video, I'm teaching you guys on how to make pictures to PDFs. Okay, maybe a student or might just be someone just needs to do it. So let's go there. There are lots of image to PDF converters on Playstore, and so far the best I've seen so far from my experience is this one, which I'm going to show in this video. Okay, I'll leave the link to the app in the description or the comment section. Okay, so please, if you want this app, go to the description and install it. Okay, let's open the app now. So when you open the app, get this nice simple red and white image, and it loads briefly. So you click on the plus icon, and then you have to go to, you can just, if it's a recent picture, you can just check it on the first page here. But if it's a bit file, we can just come to all images over here, then locate the folder where it is. So the one I want to use is, it's in a folder called pics for vid. So it's over here. Okay, so you can pick them one by one. You can just slide your fingers through the list and it would pick automatically like this, which is cool to me. Click on import, then you can adjust the image visuals. You can click on the first filter here or this one, depending on the one you find more interesting. So I think this docs one looks a bit nice. You can also click on the icon that points to the right hand side to check out the other ones as well. I think this looks good. Then you can also adjust the icon. That's the brightness. I think I should just leave it the way it is. Okay. And one important thing again is cropping, because you may have to crop out some edges, some parts of the picture which you don't need, like the table here. So, and it can do that for you automatically, which is a nice feature. So I think this is a nice one. So click on next. And in case you want to do it by yourself, click on the same icon over here. It's up here. Then you can click on no crop. Then manually drag it. I think this is nice because it has this nice interactive crop icon, which looks cool to use. So you can adjust it any way you want it. Yeah, there you go. And click on next. It's process. I think we are good to go right now. Then when you're done, click on done. Five over 9, 6 over 9, 7 over 9, 8 over 9, 9. So then you can also adjust the order in case it's not arranged well. You can just hold it and drag it like this. It gets ordered. Okay. Yeah. So we're good to go now. Then click on convert to PDF. Then you have to name it. I'll call this one Smart Notes. Okay. Then you can add the password to it in case you want to encrypt it. You can add the password to it. But I won't do that right now. Then you can also add white margins. But that white margins, I will say you don't add this because it might take away space from the PDF. So I just recommend that you just leave it the way it is. And then you can also adjust the compression settings. You click on medium compression. The medium is just the balance and is the best. Then you click on the low compression. The picture looks better, but the size can be big. So just use medium or whatever you want to. Then click on convert. Yeah, there you go, converted. So it's converted, and you see it's already saved. can also read PDFs on this app as well. So if you have any question on this video, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'd love to take your comments and help you out with it. So thanks for watching one more time, and stay good, stay happy, and remember, God loves you.